In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your TikTok following list private. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now you can do this on iPhone, Android, Samsung, anything like that, but it's actually very easy to do. So the first thing you want to do is open up your TikTok application. You're going to be on your For You page and then go over to your profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you go ahead and click on that, all you want to do is, let's say you don't want anyone new existing like that. You don't want them viewing your following list. All you want to go ahead and do is go to the top right and press those three little lines. Then go over to settings and privacy like so. You're going to see a few different options here, but in the account tab, go to the privacy section, which is the second option anyway. And then you just want to scroll down here. Then you're going to see interactions. So what you want to do is find following list, which is right under downloads. Go ahead and click on that. Then basically you can change your who can see your following list from followers to only you. And once you switch it to only you, literally only you can see your following list and no one else can. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.